You think a soldier only carries weapons? No, they carry something much heavier than that. 45 kilograms strapped onto their body, armor, gear, ammunition, and not a single thing can be left behind. Just imagine walking simple, right? Now add 45 kilos, and tell me how easy it feels. Heat pressing down from above, exhaustion building up from inside, and in the field, there's no such thing as a break. Every single item is there for a reason. Remove one thing, and everything falls apart. There are moments when the body just says, I can't do this anymore. When even one step feels impossible. But stopping, that's never an option, so they keep going, no matter how heavy it gets. Because this weight isn't just physical, there's something else going on inside, something you can't see, but you can feel. Memories, pressure, responsibility, all of it carried quietly, without a single word. And sometimes, when you add all of that together, that becomes the heaviest weight of all. Every week, stories that make you feel something real. Subscribe, and be part of this journey.